Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Be Educare. This is Rebecca here, and students, we are going to study most important current affairs questions for Maharashtra Law CET both 3 and 5 years. So guys, let's see question number 1. Which country has launched the world's first automated driverless train? The answer is Germany. Okay, next question. Shijian-21 is a satellite launched by which country recently? Guys, as the name suggests, we can say that the answer is China. So China has launched a satellite. The name is Shijian-21. Okay, spelling, guys, just have a look at the spelling. SHIJIAN 21. Next. And ये question भी October 21 का question है. Next is Proba One, which has celebrated its 20th birthday recently, was launched by which space agency? That is ESA. ESA का full form क्या है? European Space Agency. Next, name the newly appointed MD and CEO of National Securities Depositors. Guys, इसका आंसर इसका full form आ सकता है एग्जाम में NSDL, that is National Securities Depositors. The answer is Padmaja Chundru. Okay, so Padmaja Chundru has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of NSDL, that is National Securities Depositors Limited. Next, which of the following state has launched India's first e-fish market app, जिसका नाम है फिश वाले? एंड ये जो ऐप है किसने लॉन्च किया है, कौन से स्टेट ने किया है? आसाम. एंड गाइज वेरी इजी ट्रिक टू रिमेम्बर, आसानी से मिल जाएगा फिश, तो ऐसे करके याद रख सकते हैं आसाम. नेक्स्ट, who has been named as the new captain of the Indian T20I side? The answer is Rohit Sharma. Okay, next question number 7. Maji Vasundhara Abhiyan, which was seen in the news recently, is a scheme of which state or union territory? As the name suggests, Maji हम कहाँ पे बोलते हैं मराठी में? Maji मतलब मेरा, महाराष्ट्र. Okay, next question. Which state government has launched खेल नर्सरी स्कीम? खेल नर्सरी स्कीम किसने लॉन्च किया है? हरियाणा. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which country successfully flight tested standoff anti-tank missile? Guys, SANT, the exam can ask you all this question. SANT का full form क्या है? Standoff anti-tank missile. किसने किया है ये? इंडिया ने. Next, which sports person was bestowed with the Param Vishwajit Seva medal? The answer is Neeraj Chopra. Next question, which institution developed the world's largest monumental national flag? ये किया है KVIC, जिसका full form है खादी and village industries. Okay, next. The high resolution camera Draco, just have a look at the spelling, DRACO, Draco, is part of which NASA mission? The answer is DART, DART, DART. This full form is Defense Abuse Response Task Force. Next, which organization developed the nuclear capable Prithvi 2 missile? पृथ्वी 2 मिसाइल किसने डेवलप किया है? DRDO. DRDO का फुल फॉर्म बहुत इजी है, डिफेंस रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु इज द विनर ऑफ द फ्रेंच ओपन 2022 मेंस सिंगल टाइटल? द आंसर इज राफेल नडाल. ओके, राफेल नडाल क्या है? विनर है फ्रेंच ओपन 2022 मेंस सिंगल्स टाइटल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Second state to reorganize community forest resource, CFR, rights inside a national park. It's Chhattisgarh. So Chhattisgarh is the second state to recognize the community forest resource, CFR, rights inside a national park. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन गाइस घुमा के भी आ सकता है, कहाँ पे हुआ है? So we can answer it is national park. Okay, next. Which country hosted the International Conference on Disaster Resilient Information, ICDRI? Which country has hosted it? That is our country, India. So India has hosted the International Conference on Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. अगला सवाल, which institution has announced to set up युवा tourism club? Okay, युवा tourism club, it is set up by CBSC. Okay, next. Who is the first Indian woman to climb 5 peaks above 8,000 meter? The answer over here is, guys, Priyanka Mohite. Okay, Priyanka Mohite has become the first Indian woman to climb 5 peaks above 8,000 meter dash meters. Answer is 8,000 meters. Okay, next. Which state has formed an expert committee for the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code? UCC का full form क्या है? Uniform Civil Code. कौन से state है? Guys, the answer here is Uttarakhand. Okay, so how to remember this? Uniform Uttarakhand, UU. Okay, next. Next is which team has won the bronze medal in men's event at Asia Cup Hockey 2022? That is India. Next. Next question is, who has been joined National Assets Reconstruction Company, NARCL, as the managing director and CEO? That is Natranjan Sundar. ठीक है, कैसे याद रखेंगे? नेशनल एसेट्स रिकंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी के एमडी एंड सीईओ कौन है? नटरंजन सुंदर. ठीक है, वो सुंदर है इसलिए अपॉइंट किए गए. नेक्स्ट. Next question is, National Tribal Research Institute was inaugurated in which state or union territory? That is New Delhi, capital of India. Next. Gaia Mission, जिसका spelling है GAIA. Gaia Mission was found in the news recently, is associated with which space agency? The answer is ESA, that is European Space Agency. Okay, next. Asia's largest brackish water lagoon is located in which state or union territory? That is Odisha. Odisha, we have brackish water lagoon. Okay, next. Hindustan Aeronautics has signed MOU with which country to convert civil passenger aircraft to multi-mission tanker transport, MMTT aircraft? The answer is Israel. Okay, next. Who will be the first recipient of Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Puraskar? Very important question, and the answer is PM Narendra Modi. Which organization has announced to launch National Data and Analytics Platform? Just remember the full form. NDAP का full form क्या है? National Data and Analytics Platform. The answer is Niti Aayog. Okay, next. Where is India's largest floating solar power plant commissioned? That is in Telangana. Okay, next. Name the editor of the book Gandhi and the Champaran Satyagraha Select Readings. It is Suranjan Das. Okay, next. Which state topped the ranking index for implementation of National Food Security Act? That is Odisha. Next. Who is the new president of Financial Action Task Force? The answer is T. Raja Kumar. So T. Raja Kumar is the new president of FATF, जिसका full form है Financial Action Task Force. Next. Who has sworn in as the new CM of Maharashtra after the resignation of Uddhav Thackeray? Very easy question. The answer is Eknath Shinde. लेकिन आपको एग्जाम में ये भी आ सकता है कि पहले कौन थे, पहले सीएम कौन थे? कौन आएंगे? उद्धव ठाकरे. अगला सवाल. ज्योति सुरेखा वेन्नम has won gold medal for India in which sports at the World Games 2022 in Birmingham, sorry. The answer is archery. Okay, so Jyoti Surekha Vennam has won gold medal for India in archery. Okay, next. Next is Draupadi Murmu, the 15th president of India, is associated with which political party? The answer is Bharatiya Janata Party. ठीक है, Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP. Next. The Digital India RISC-5 microprocessor DRI-5 program was launched by Dash. The answer is Rajiv Chandrasekhar. Okay, Rajiv Chandrasekhar. Digital India RISC-V microprocessor program was launched by Rajiv Chandrasekhar. Next, the phase 2 of the Swanidhi say Samriddhi has been launched in how many cities? The answer is 126. Very important question. Swanidhi से समृद्धि launch किया है कितने cities में? 126. Next, India's Army Trishakti Corps has organized an integrated firepower exercise, X Kripan Shakti. Ek Kripan Shakti at Tista Field Firing Ranges in Dash in West Bengal. Next, PSLV Orbital Experimental Module POEM का full form क्या है? PSLV Orbital Experimental Module is associated with which organization? That is ISRO. ISRO का full form क्या है? Indian Space Research Organization. Okay, next. Burhanpur, which was declared the first Har Ghar Jal certified district in the country, is in which state? That is Madhya Pradesh. ठीक है, मध्य प्रदेश. So मध्य प्रदेश में बरहनपुर है जो कि डिक्लेयर किया गया है फर्स्ट हर घर जल certified district. Okay, next. What is the name of the submarine which was recently decommissioned from the Indian Navy? That is INS Sindhu Dwaj. Okay, INS Sindhu Dwaj is the name of the submarine which was recently decommissioned from the Indian Navy. Here even they can give you all Indian Army. तो हमें टिक करना है Indian Navy. Next. Which Indian Navy ship is representing the country in the SLINEX 2022? That is INS Kirch. KIRCH Kirch. Next, which team won IPL 2022 Cup? That is, answer is Gujarat Titans. Next, Pali, PALLI, Pali, India's first carbon neutral panchayat is situated in which state or union territory? That is, Pali hai Jammu and Kashmir mein. Next, which team won Men's World T20 Cup 2021? That is ऑस्ट्रेलिया. ठीक है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया ने जीता है ये. नेक्स्ट, फॉर्मर ड्रिंकिंग एंड वाटर सैनिटाइजेशन secretary Dash has been appointed as a new CEO of Niti Aayog. That is Parameswaran Iyer. Next, which state topped the Niti Aayog State Energy and Climate Index round 1? Okay, round 1 किसने जीता है? गुजरात ने. Next, which armed force recently tested India's first indigenously developed anti-ship missile from Seeking helicopter at ITR Odisha? Which armed force has done this? The answer is Indian Navy. Okay, Indian Navy. Next, vertical launch short range surface to air missile VLSR-SAM, which was tested recently, was based on which missile? It was based on Astra, ASTRA, Astra. ठीक है. Next, who has become the first para athlete to receive Padma Bhushan Award? That is Devendra Jajaria. Devendra Jajaria. Okay, next. And the last question, which space company organized the first ever all private crewed mission to visit the International Space Station? The answer is Axiom Space. Okay. So students, this were the most important current affairs. I hope you all liked the video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys.